In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a range chart in Excel. To get started, open Microsoft Excel and prepare a simple data table. A range chart is useful when you want to show the difference between a minimum value and a maximum value across categories or time periods. Instead of focusing on just one number, this type of chart highlights the span between two values, which makes it great for comparing variation from one category to another. For this example, enter your data with 3 columns: month, min, and max. Then fill in sample values such as Jan with 80 and 120, Feb with 90 and 140, and Mar with 100 and 150. This gives you a small data set that clearly shows how the chart works. The month column will provide the category labels, while the min and max columns define the lower and upper limits of each range. Next, create a helper column. This is an important part of building the chart because Excel does not have a built-in range chart type. In the new column, calculate the range by subtracting the minimum value from the maximum value. In other words, use max minus min for each row. This helper column represents the size of the visible floating bar you'll eventually see in the chart. It acts as the distance between the starting point and the ending point of the range. Once that helper column is ready, select the month, min, and range columns. After selecting those columns, go to the Insert tab, choose Column Chart, and then select Stacked Column. Excel will create a stacked chart where the min values form the bottom section and the range values sit on top. Now comes the key formatting step that turns this into a true range chart. Click on the min series in the chart, then right-click and choose Format Data Series. In the formatting options, set the fill to no fill and the border to no line. This hides the base portion of the stacked column without removing the data structure behind it. As soon as you do that, only the range portion remains visible. This creates a floating bar for each month, showing the span between the minimum and maximum values. That floating effect is what makes a range chart so effective and visually clear. And that's the process. By using a helper column and a stacked column chart, you can easily create a clean range chart in Excel that shows the spread between two values across different categories or time periods.